3.5 years ago, I started listening to your podcast.
I did, yeah.
So it got me into syndications. My first syndication investment was with Nighthawk Equity.
Oh, did you really?
I've invested in 12 others since.
Oh my gosh.
With different sponsors, and I kind of see the end in sight of my W-2 career. And
So it's just cool. So you're only passive investor?
Yes.
And you think that's going to be your path of like freedom? It's just passive investing?
Yes, and then as I move toward that, I'm also looking for ways and where I'm getting developed actively in apartment syndication.
In what way? Raising capital or
What I would like to do is raise capital.
Yeah. That's right. I mean, I would say half of our students do that.
Yeah.
Half gravitate towards the capital raising and half to deal finding. And then there's some overlap, of course, but that makes a lot of sense because you're really excited about it.
Yeah.
And what do you do?
I'm an engineer with a background in sales. And
Engineer?
Yeah, to a point. And so right now I work at a refinery with a mechanical contractor, and working on their upcoming turnaround.
So when do you think you might be able to quit your job?
Target is August 1st this year, my 40th birthday.
From just the passive income, or really?
That's awesome. Yeah.
It's awesome, dude.
Yeah, I know.
So when you quit your job, I want you to contact me because I wouldn't mind interviewing on the podcast.
Sure.
Because I there's two ways you can get to financial freedom, and passive is one.
Right.
We just don't know that many that that are there, or they just use it to just make investments. They're not really thinking quitting a job per se.
Right.
So we don't know as many of those passives that are on that route, or they're already basically wealthy and they're not doing it for quitting a job. Right. They're just want to invest in it.
So what draws me to being a capital syndicator is I'm just in love with the syndication market.
Yeah.
And all the problems that it can solve for people.
See, you're passionate about it, right? So you're just excited and you share, and then people go, "Oh, I want a piece of that."
Right.
Okay, this is awesome.